Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
Okay, right side's clear. They're up here.
Tango spotted.
Right here. Right here.
I see
Push
them.
up to the bridge. Push up to the bridge and start shooting them.
Newcastle's like couple shots. He's low. They jumped.
Oh, come on, push, 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 push! Right here, right here, right here! Two! They're weak, they're weak! Yeah, you put that, you put that.
Oh! It's one shot. It's always one shot.
Than I look.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh,
He didn't
oh,
drop?
well.
Oh, I think he dropped.
Nope, he wasn't fighting with us, he was busy looting.
Oh. I thought he dropped.
You know you want to do this.
Do it. They're not even there.
Do it.
Oh.
Friend's banner. This is great.
Shields up, shields up, shields up.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh.
Nice, bro. The big shields.
Oh no. Oh man.
Oh no! Oh no! We suck again!
You know what? That was a good game.
It's okay. It's okay, GG.
Okay, Days with 10 kills.
What?
Oh
Oh.
my.
That was, I don't know, it was pretty easy on me, honestly.
That was good though. That was good. But I have to go, unfortunately.
That's understandable.
I know, I gotta make dinner.
GG's, GG's.
GG's, Days.
GG's.
Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Alright. GG's. I'm gold 3 again. Yay. I will resume streaming tomorrow. I am off my mini vacation that people said I didn't deserve. I was on break, okay? I needed a break. I was getting a little crispy, a little burnt out. But I'm back. I'm back. And I like E District. I think every other day I want to play, only if it's E District. I'm just kidding. I'll be back tomorrow, and I hope you guys had a good Christmas, a good holidays, good break, and yeah, the time is going by so fast. It's gonna be the new year. I think on Wednesday, something like that. My God, 2025. That's weird. 2025. Anyway, new year, new us, right? I hope you guys have good games if you guys are playing, and if not, I hope you guys are resting and have a good rest of your night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
have a Rampart, maybe Pathfinder.
Maria, come here. Maria,
Yeah, Amber.
Shotgun bolt here.
Thanks, Amber.
you're welcome.
Got one. Oh, I'm dead. I'm living. He's gonna try to rest here.
Oh my god.
Push him. Too bad. Oh no, kill him.
Nice.
Oh, I almost threw.
This is where Amber called me a bitch.
Why are we gonna bring that up?
I was so red.
You made a whole TikTok about it. I'm sorry.
Oh, guys, check it out, my TikTok.
It's not a secret. It's not a secret.
It was a funny moment.
When did you make a TikTok about it?
Okay,
Huh?
Ursa does not give two shits about me. But anyway,
What? It was a question.
That's crazy.
I know.
Ursa, come on.
Even
I don't-
the other day when I was playing with him, he kept calling me Maria.
It-
Like, I'm not Maria.
He just misses me that much. Oh my god. I'm flattered.
She's like, I can't get it out of my mind, you know?
Like, I'm Amber. He's like, okay, Maria.